Alright guys, next day I got all my stuff. That includes all the back windows, which is the mids, the back windows, and the hatch. So this thing's up and I marked all the holes. If this thing will focus, you can see that little black spot. Them two black spots. Also over there, I gotta drill these holes, and I kinda don't want to because that's a bunch of holes in the side of my van that I am kinda nervous about. So yeah, I measured this thing like 50 times. It's 100% centered up because this one is gonna determine kinda where this goes, and then the red, like, yeah, this is this is good. This is like the standard. So this has to be perfect in order to line all the rest. Yeah, I just gotta drill now, and I kind of don't want to because I don't want to put holes in my van. So here we go. First one is done. A bunch of chips I noticed went under. Sorry, this focus sucks. Went under this like vinyl, and so there's one chip right there on my finger. And this obviously is to try to catch them. So I'm gonna get a magnet, since it's steel. Try to open this up and suck all that out of there. But man, that's pretty nice, honestly. It's not very intrusive, and honestly, if these aren't up, these aren't going to look that bad. So yeah, I guess I'm just going to start drilling all these out since I got the first one done, and put on my jail bar, see how it looks. Alright, so this magnet thing that I was just talking about earlier, it works. Watch, I just drilled this. You kind of want to there's a ton of that stuff that you can get out. I got a ton out of the bottom, and highly recommend doing this just because this will rust up super easy and quick, and try to get all that out from behind there as you can. Also, this seat on these, it actually sits flush against the steel with it clean. If you put it on there with all the chips in there, it doesn't actually seat on that surface because this is in the way. So yeah, the magnet thing works great, and this magnet is smaller than the drill bit, so I can get it inside with two hands, obviously, one's holding the camera. But yeah, try to get all them chips out. Little brush, paint. I'm going the extra mile here, and I painted the insides of them holes just so they won't rust. I'm trying, at least. And these are stainless, so they shouldn't rust up. A magnet doesn't stick to them, so I know it doesn't have any iron in it, which causes things to rust. Alrighty, get to use my new tool. I'm using the 5mm. This is it. I've never used it before. This goes on there. Pull these handles down, mushes this out, gets trapped in them holes, and hopefully this thing does the job. Alrighty, it's up. It bends a little bit, but with these 4 screws on each side, I mean, there's almost no way you're pulling all these out or breaking these off. And you're not breaking this, so you'd have to cut your way in this. And if you're cutting your way in this, they're gonna get in because they could have just like cut through the door. I'm gonna feel way better with these in there. So I need to do this one. I'm working on this back, and I got this string held on that with a clamp, and goes back all the way to the rear hatch seal. And I'm trying to get this thing like level. And I got it all marked. There's a little mark in there you can see. You can see that one. Little break in the action. Figured I'd pick up the camera and show you guys what's up. I got this one, this back left window up. Oh, sorry. And it looks pretty good. I got the string out and got this all level, and it looks good for even from the outside. I just drilled and painted up. Oh no, that's the top one. Painted up these. I also got these on there. It'll focus. There we go. And that. I'm gonna talk in this one. All right. So that's painted. I need some nut certs. And this, you gotta lift this seal back, squeeze that, and you can feel it tighten up. And then you kind of give a little more to seat in there. You pull this, kind of find center. Pull that. You can see how it moves that. And that's as I'm pulling this, it turns that. There we go, it's done. Let me take this camera off. And, oh. Alrighty. The paint kind of got chewed up a little bit because I have that stop on the drill, which allows me to only drill a certain distance, and this won't plow through the other end. So it only goes so deep, which is nice. I don't have to worry about it going through the other side. Now this is on. I'm gonna put this back piece on. Probably do this other side too. Do this side, maybe do the sliding door. Oh man. I've been sitting here for a second, just kind of browsing scrolling on the feed on my phone, and my arms are already killing me. I got everyone done but the sliding door. And I just can't do it. I gotta go to my buddy's house because I gotta watch the Supercross race, and there's still one left, but that's okay. I'll just knock this out tomorrow. I'm gonna leave everything where it's at, and let's see, I got that, all that, them. Oh, let me get up. Outside, I haven't even really looked at it outside. All right, so there's that one. Oh yeah, you can see them things good. Back. Which honestly, I almost think I need to have another, something, because I think I could fit through that. Not that that matters that much, but that's the whole purpose of this, is to be able to fit through it. I definitely can't fit through that, or that, or that. So that's good. Yeah, that's sweet. Let me unlock this door. You can get a good look. Hold on, let me move that. Actually, it kind of looks cool with all them there. Alright, so hopefully today's video was halfway decent. Yeah, I'm gonna get my bike going out of the garage and ride it over to my buddy's house. So pretty much wrapping this up. This is freaking sweet, dude. That's awesome. Still got the sliding door to do tomorrow, so I'm about to knock that out, finish off this, and then I gotta concentrate on these front doors somehow. And like I said, there's a guy, I don't know his name, I forget, and his channel or whatever. Wonder something, I don't know. But I'll post that in the description. That's where I got this idea from. And also the front doors, I'm gonna kind of add my own little touches and stuff, obviously, but that's where I got the idea. And so you can watch his video, and also you can watch this one and get like the best. That's the only thing I could find on all this like jail bar setup for the windows. So the more I look at this, the happier I am I did it, because now when I'm like way out on this trail, like way out, and I am not close to my van, I can easily like have a little bit more faith that it'll be harder to get in. Also an alarm would be good, just because it'll be super loud and like scare them off, whoever they are, the thieves, scare them off. And also it'll be like a deterrent seeing these in the windows. So hopefully that helps. Yeah, I think I'm done.